Every successful broccoli harvest begins with careful planning. Today, we will grow broccoli from seed to table using simple gardening methods. Broccoli grows best in fertile soil with good drainage and plenty of sunlight throughout the growing season. Broccoli develops large, healthy heads when plants receive consistent sunlight each day. Proper spacing improves airflow and reduces disease problems as broccoli plants mature. Different broccoli varieties mature at different speeds, so choose one suited to your climate and growing season. A simple garden layout makes watering, weeding, and harvesting much easier throughout the season. Preparing tools before planting helps every gardening task proceed efficiently and safely. With planning complete, we are ready to prepare the soil and create the perfect home for broccoli plants. Removing weeds before planting prevents competition for water, sunlight, and nutrients that broccoli seedlings need. Clearing debris creates a clean planting area and allows roots to expand more easily. Digging loosens compacted soil and improves root penetration for healthy broccoli growth. Fine soil texture allows broccoli seeds and roots to establish more evenly. Compost improves soil fertility and supplies essential nutrients broccoli plants require. Mixing organic matter evenly helps roots access nutrients throughout the growing area. A level planting bed promotes even watering and consistent seed germination.
Use the back of the rake to smooth out any high spots.
Healthy broccoli starts with healthy soil. The garden bed is now ready for seed selection and planting preparation. Quality seeds are the foundation of healthy broccoli plants and productive harvests. Different broccoli varieties vary in size, maturity time, and climate tolerance. Healthy seeds improve germination success and produce stronger seedlings. Straight planting rows help maintain proper spacing and simplify future garden maintenance. Proper spacing improves airflow and allows each broccoli plant to reach full size. Broccoli seeds should be planted shallowly, so emerging seedlings can easily reach sunlight. Planting too deep can delay germination, while planting too shallow may expose seeds. The garden is prepared, the seeds are selected, and everything is ready for sowing broccoli. Each broccoli seed contains everything needed to begin life when moisture, warmth, and oxygen are available. A thin layer of soil protects seeds, while allowing emerging sprouts to reach the surface. Water activates the germination process by helping seeds absorb moisture and begin growth. Garden labels help track planting dates and identify crops throughout the growing season. Protective covers help reduce pest damage and stabilize growing conditions during germination. Consistent moisture is essential because dry soil can stop germination before it begins. Inside the soil, roots emerge first, anchoring the future broccoli plant and absorbing water. These first green sprouts mark the beginning of a healthy broccoli crop and successful germination. Young broccoli seedlings begin developing leaves that collect sunlight for future growth.
Ensuring the roots are covered.
Regular watering encourages strong root systems and steady plant development. Thinning prevents overcrowding and allows remaining plants to reach their full potential. Broccoli is a heavy feeder and benefits from additional nutrients during active growth. Mulch conserves moisture, suppresses weeds, and helps maintain stable soil temperatures. Weeds compete
Pinch
directly
the
with
weed at
broccoli
the
plants
base
for
and gently
resources
pull
and should be
straight up to
removed
minimize
regularly.
soil disturbance. Next, we turn the
Healthy
leaf
broccoli
over and
plants
inspect the
display
underside.
strong stems
We're
and
looking for
vibrant green
consistent color
leaves.
and any signs of pests hiding near the central vein. When monitoring for
Regular
pests,
inspections
always
help
check the
gardeners identify
undersides of the
pests
leaves
before
carefully.
serious damage
Here you
occurs.
can see a cluster of aphids starting to form.
With proper care, broccoli plants quickly produce larger leaves and stronger stems. Strong roots allow broccoli plants to absorb more nutrients and support future head formation. The expanding leaf canopy captures sunlight efficiently and fuels plant growth. At this stage, broccoli plants begin preparing to form the edible head that gardeners harvest. After weeks of proper care, broccoli plants have reached maturity and are preparing for harvest. The edible broccoli head develops at the center of the plant and should appear compact and firm. Each broccoli head consists of tightly packed flower buds that have not yet opened. Healthy leaves continue feeding the broccoli head through photosynthesis until harvest. Most broccoli varieties are ready when heads reach full size and remain tightly packed. Clean cutting tools help produce smooth harvests and reduce plant damage. Consistent moisture helps maintain broccoli quality during the final days before harvest. The broccoli heads are now fully developed, firm, and ready to be harvested at peak quality. Harvest begins when broccoli heads are firm, compact, and fully developed before flowers start opening. A sharp knife creates a clean cut that minimizes stress on the remaining plant. Careful handling helps preserve broccoli quality and prevents bruising. Harvesting continues row by row, selecting only heads that have reached peak maturity. An abundant basket reflects weeks of careful planning, watering, and plant care. Many broccoli plants produce smaller side shoots after the main head is harvested. Freshly harvested broccoli should be handled promptly to preserve texture and flavor. The harvest is complete, and the broccoli is ready for cleaning, sorting, and kitchen preparation. Freshly harvested broccoli should be washed thoroughly to remove soil, insects, and garden debris. Sorting and trimming improve presentation and prepare broccoli for cooking. Cutting broccoli into evenly sized pieces helps it cook more consistently. Light cooking helps preserve broccoli's texture, color, and nutritional value. The reward for careful gardening is enjoying fresh broccoli harvested directly from your own garden. From a tiny seed to a nutritious meal, every stage of broccoli cultivation teaches valuable gardening skills. With knowledge, patience, and consistent care, anyone can grow healthy broccoli from seed to table. The journey ends here, but the next growing season is already waiting.